Today, we are out in public, our public parking lot. So we're actually in front of the HQ today here at Chemical Guys, and I'll be showing you guys that you guys can actually be washing your car at any given time using one single product, which is a waterless wash system. Now this is 𝘃𝗏𝗏 waterless wash. Now this is a system that's going to allow you to wash and seal your car on the go at any given time. So today I have this Tesla Model 3 in the shop. I have 6 towels, and that is everything I need to rejuvenate and wash this car. First things first, the towels I'll be using today is going to be the 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏 microfiber towels. As always, remove the tag before use, so this should prevent any scratches or swirls. I will put my tag inside my pocket. Now I do have my microfiber towel. Now a lot of people, what they misunderstand is whenever they do get a microfiber towel, we always encourage you guys to fold it. The reason being is whenever you are doing a waterless wash technique, what you want to do is prevent scratches and swirls. So to be more efficient, you can fold your towels in 4, and like this, now you have 16 sides to play with. For example, 1 side, 2 sides, flip it over, 4 and 5, and then you flip it inside out, it's 4 more. So like this, you have 16 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, flip it inside out, 8 sides. So like this, whenever you fold your towels in 4s, you actually have 8 sides, not 16 sides. I just had a little quick brain fart. But after you fold your towels in 4, you'll be grabbing your waterless wash, you'll spray it directly onto the surface. Now, one key thing I want you guys to keep in mind is this waterless wash is going to seal the car as well as enhance more shine and protection. Another key thing I like to do is spray my microfiber towel for added lubrication. Now, I am a right-handed person, so I'll be going up and down. So I'll be wiping in linear motions, and you guys can see how filthy this car actually is. Now imagine this, you have no access to running water, you live in an apartment, you can't even throw water on the floor, but that's not an excuse to drive a dirty car. You can simply do a waterless wash technique. You can do it at your beach, you can do it at the beach, you can do it in your apartment, in your garage, late nights. Whenever you want to clean up your car, use 𝘃𝗏𝗏 waterless wash to remove the filth and grime away from the surface of the car. But after you're left with this minor film. Now this minor film is a synthetic polymer that's super easy to buff off. So like this, you enhance the shine back to the car. And of course, if you do have a little bit more bird droppings, get your product, spray directly on it, let it dwell on it, and then come back and buff it off. So like this, you ensure you have a scratch-free wash at any given time using a waterless wash. Once you're done with that side, what I like to do is just flip over the towel to another clean side and just buff off the residue. Now, 𝘃𝗏𝗏𝗏 waterless wash is very convenient to have in your Chemical Guys arsenal because you could basically clean your whole entire car, from wheels to glass to paintwork to metalwork. Your car has on the outside, you can spray it on there and wipe it off. But check out how dirty this car actually is. It's super filthy, super dusty, but as always, just flip your towel over and buff off any residue. If you are in need of more towels, feel free to grab more towels and keep using it around the surface of your car. Now, I know I'm going to be getting this question in the comment section. How many towels do you actually have to use when you do a waterless wash? It all depends on how dirty the car is. For example, this car, and what that guy said, and how big the car is. So if your car is huge, obviously you're gonna use more towels. If your car is smaller, you're not gonna use that many towels. But come close. Check out this, I think it was like a pterodactyl. Is that how you say pterodactyl?
Pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl? Mm-hmm. Well, one of those dinosaurs actually pooped on here. So you just grab your 𝘃𝗏𝗏𝗏 waterless wash, and like I mentioned before, there's no excuse for you to have a dirty car. You just spray it and you wipe it clean. Now, the importance of also having a waterless wash on hand is it's going to prevent any etching. So anytime a bird dropping lands on the surface of your car, it's acidic. Acidic paint, acid and paint don't go, so it's going to actually stain. But using 𝘃𝗏𝗏𝗏 waterless wash, bam! Look how clean that is. It's dirty, you guys can see how filthy it is. Flip it over to another clean side, and like this, I am being more efficient. This car is getting cleaned, it's not getting any scratches or swirls, and I actually picked out a gray car, or dark gray car, just because I want to show you guys that this car won't get any scratches and swirls whenever I use 𝘃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 waterless wash. So let me just finish repeating these whole entire steps around this whole entire car, and then I'll show you guys the results after. Let's keep going. And check that out, guys. No running water, one single bottle, a couple towels, and now this Tesla is looking great. It's also going to be protected because, like I mentioned before, Swift Wipe Waterless Wash does have a sealant. As always, any of the products I use in today's video, you can find it at chemicalguys.com or drive down to your local detail garage. As always, I'm Henry, and we'll see you guys next time.